Hello everyone, today I will be making a delicious creamy chicken and mushroom pasta that's incredibly convenient for busy weeknights. So let's get started. 1 large onion diced, and I'm using the red onion. Okay, you can set that aside. And now we're going to cut the chicken breast up. Slice it up and then cube it. It's about 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. Now just cube it up into bite-sized pieces. And you're going to want to set that aside also. To a pot of boiling water, we're going to add a good 2 pinches of salt, kosher salt. And now add your penne pasta, a whole box, which is a pound, 16 ounces. And cook it to according on the back of the box, al dente. You want to cook 11 minutes. On a large skillet, you're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat. Stir your pasta occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. We're going to add the onions to the skillet. Cook 4 to 5 minutes to soften them up. Turn your heat down to low. And we're going to add the garlic. It's 3 cloves of garlic. Stir it around so the garlic doesn't burn. You don't want garlic to burn because it'll give a bitter taste. When the garlic's cooked for 1 minute, then you're going to want to add the chicken. And also 1 pound of mushroom. Oh, 8 ounces of mushroom, sorry. 8 ounces. You want to cook about 5 to 7 minutes where the chicken is no longer pink, and stirring occasionally. Just about all of them are cooked through. Okay, now we're going to add 3 cups of chicken stock. Give it a stir. And let it cook till it reduces some. Pasta is done, so now I'm going to drain it. Okay, it's been cooking for about 15 minutes. Now you want to reduce your heat down to low. Add your block of cream cheese, softened cream cheese, and a half a stick of butter that's been softened. Take a whisk and break it down. Now add your half a cup of half and half at room temperature. And a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And a quarter teaspoon of cracked pepper. Now let that cook for a little bit. Add a good handful of baby spinach. Add your pasta. And a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, grated. You want to cook it till it thickens up some. It'll thicken up from the pasta. You don't want a real runny sauce. So just let it cook until it thickens. I'm going to give it a taste test, just the sauce, to see if it needs any more salt or pepper. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, that sauce is so good. This meal is really going to be good. Okay, I think it's ready. Sauce isn't that runny, but you want some sauce. The sauce is really good. So I'm going to plate it up. Let's give it a taste test. That is really good. Really tasty. So I hope you give it a try. And if you can, leave a comment and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.